With the election coming up, this can mean voters leaning towards more radical or emotionally driven options. Hey everyone, I've got something exciting for you today. Take a look at this chart. Venus, Mercury, and the Moon are all going out of bounds right as we head into the 2024 election. What does this mean? Let's break it down because it's not your typical election energy. So what does it mean when a planet is out of bounds? In astrology, this happens when a planet moves outside the usual range of the sun's declination, kind of like going off the beaten path. When a planet goes out of bounds, its energy becomes unpredictable, boundary pushing, and more extreme. In this chart, we can see Venus, Mercury, and the Moon stepping into that out of bounds territory at different times between October and December. Venus goes out of bounds starting tomorrow evening, October 25th. It stays that way through the election. And Venus is about values, relationships, and social norms. When it's out of bounds, we might see people embracing unconventional choices or stepping away from what's familiar and socially accepted. With the election coming up, this can mean voters leaning towards more radical or emotionally driven options. Mercury follows suit the night of November 6th at about 1 or 2 in the morning on the East Coast. Mercury rules communication and information flow. Going out of bounds can mean we see some unexpected news or even confusion with election results. This is prime territory for mixed messages or surprising changes, right when votes are being counted and processed. The Moon will be out of bounds in stages starting on November 3rd and again on November 16th and then again on November 30th. And then I'll show you in some subsequent videos, it's going to keep going out of bounds every month for a while now. The Moon represents our collective emotions. When it's out of bounds, expect emotions to run high. This can bring a lot of emotional intensity both before and after the election as people react to outcomes, uncertainties, and surprises. Having 3 major celestial bodies out of bounds in such a short period right during an election is a big deal. It's not just about unconventional choices, but about emotionally charged responses and communication that defies expectation. It's like the cosmos saying, expect the unexpected. This is just a preview. I'll be diving deeper into this whole topic, including some fascinating historical examples, like the 1952 election where Dwight D. Eisenhower was elected when Venus was also out of bounds. We'll look at what happened then and how it might compare to what's ahead in 2024. Make sure you follow so you don't miss that full breakdown. Out of bounds planets bring out of the ordinary times. Stay tuned, follow, and share this video if you're curious about what's happening above us and how it connects to our lives.